Dear students, we are going to look at one more important concept of vector calculus, that is curl of a vector function. Curl of a vector function, and it is denoted by del cross A. If A is a vector point function, then del cross A is curl of F, curl of vector A, sorry. And the point to be noted is that if curl is 0, if del cross A is 0 vector, that is curl of vector A. This is one notation, curl, curl space A or del cross A, that is equal to 0 vector. Then we say that A is irrotational. Then A bar is called irrotational vector. Irrotational vector. Now let us do a problem quickly on this concept of curl. If vector V is equal to some xi plus xy plus zj and plus some y square plus xzk, just written some vector, then find curl of this vector V at the point 1, 1, 1. Some point I have given. So given V is equal to, the vector V is equal to this as it is, I'll write it. Vector V is xi plus xy plus zj plus, as it is I'm copying, y square plus xz of k. Therefore curl of this vector V, curl of vector V is nothing but del cross vector V. So del cross vector V, it is so simple that it is a cross product of two vectors. One is del and one is V. So I, j, k we will be writing, and the coefficients, you all know that del stands for I dou by dou x, j dou by dou y, plus j dou by dou y, plus k dou by dou z. So when I want to cross this del and this A, this del and this A, then what I need to do is I need to copy these coefficients of I, j, k in, okay, this is first vector, this is second vector. So first vector, I'll just write the coefficients, that is dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z. Then here in this place V I have taken, so the coefficients of V I have to write it. The coefficients of V are xy plus xy plus z, and here it is y square plus xz. I hope you have understood this part. It is simple. Always whenever we are finding the curl of a vector function, then the first two lines will be there as it is. These are two first lines, okay. This line and this line will be as it is. Only these coefficients you will be substituting from the given vector function. For which vector function we are finding the curl, that vector function we will be writing here. So now we need to just calculate this particular, okay, vector. Now I into dou by dou y of this one, that will be 2y, minus dou by dou z of this one, so it will be minus 1, minus j into dou by dou x of this one, that is z, minus dou by dou z of this x, that is 0, minus 0, plus k times of dou by dou x of xy plus z, dou by dou x of xy plus z. So it will be just y minus dou by dou y of x, that is equal to 0. So it is going to become 2y minus 1 into I minus z times of j plus y times of k. This is the general curl. Therefore, curl of the vector v at the point 1 comma 1 comma 1 is equal to the vector substituting x value as 1, y value as 1 and z value as 1. So what I get now, 2 into 1 minus 1, that is 1i minus j, 1j, that is minus j, plus 1k, that is plus k. So sometimes it will be given, prove that the given vector is irrotational. At that time we have to prove del cross A is equal to 0. At that time we can say that A is irrotational vector. Irrotational vector. So I hope you understood the point. Thank you.